To transfer data into USB drive on Samsung S25, from Samsung S25, first of all, you will have to start by opening settings. Now you will have to start scrolling for accounts and backup. Click to external storage transfer, and right now you have to just connect your drive. So in my case, it's actually not compatible. This USB-C port in my drive, it's not fitting USB-C port in my phone. So I decide to actually purchase this basis hub, connect this straight into the phone. Now connect this into hub like that. And after a few seconds, we should get this information that it's selected, so we can select USB storage. And now we can select data that you want to basically transfer into your USB drive. So we can select everything, just calls, contacts and messages, or for example custom one. So when you click on the custom one, right now you can manually select whatever you want to transfer. So in my case, let's do this for example with images only. Click to backup, click OK, and now you just have to wait for this process. So it will take probably around few seconds. If you have a lot of data, then it will take even like 5 minutes or even 10 minutes. And as you can see now, it's almost finished. It's 1 minute left. Even when you hit 100%, just wait until you will get the screen that backup results. And it's successful, so you can click next, click done, and it's finished.